These 7 AI tools will explode your YouTube channel in 2025. Are you tired of uploading videos with barely any views? Struggling to figure out how the YouTube algorithm works? You're not alone. With so much competition on the platform, growing a YouTube channel can feel like trying to win the lottery. But what if I told you that with the right AI tools, you could change everything? From SEO optimization and content creation to automation and analytics, AI is helping creators work smarter, not harder. In this video, we're diving into 7 powerful AI tools that can skyrocket your YouTube channel in 2025. These tools can save you time, boost your reach, and even help you go viral. So sit tight and watch till the end, because the last tool is a game changer. And hey, if you're serious about growing your channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let's jump right in. 1. TubeBuddy, your AI SEO wingman. When it comes to YouTube SEO, TubeBuddy is like having a full-time marketing team on your side. It's not just a browser extension anymore. In 2025, TubeBuddy's AI features have leveled up big time. It can now suggest trending topics based on your niche, recommend keyword-rich titles, and even A/B test your thumbnails and titles. The tool scans through millions of video data points and suggests tags and descriptions that are currently ranking. It knows what's working right now, not last year. The Keyword Explorer helps you target low competition but high-interest keywords, making your content more likely to appear in search results. Even better, the AI will now alert you when a trend starts peaking, giving you a head start before it's too late. For small creators trying to grow, this tool is a must-have. TubeBuddy isn't just about stats, it's about smart strategy. 2. VidIQ, AI coach for smarter strategy. If TubeBuddy is your wingman, VidIQ is your personal AI coach. This tool gives you real-time advice on how to rank your videos, but what really makes it stand out in 2025 is its AI-driven daily video ideas feature. It studies your past performance, trending topics in your niche, and viewer behavior to give you a fresh batch of content suggestions every day. It also has an advanced keyword score system that shows not just search volume, but also how likely your channel is to rank. Another cool thing? VidIQ now uses predictive analytics to show you what kind of engagement your video might get before you even post it. That's right, it's like having a crystal ball for your channel. If you're not using VidIQ in 2025, you're playing the YouTube game blindfolded. 3. Pictory, turn text into engaging videos. Don't have time to shoot and edit videos? Pictory has your back. This tool lets you turn blog posts, scripts, or even just text notes into professional-looking videos with AI. It finds the right visuals, syncs voiceovers, adds subtitles, and can even generate an intro and outro. In 2025, Pictory's voiceover tech has improved a lot. The voices now sound incredibly human, and you can even customize tone, accent, and pacing. Perfect for faceless channels or creators who want to scale content production fast. The AI also suggests split screens, background music, and effects, all automatically. You could literally write a script in the morning and have a ready-to-upload YouTube video by lunchtime. For creators who want to be consistent but are short on time or equipment, Pictory is a total game changer. 4. ChatGPT, the ultimate scriptwriting assistant. Need help writing killer scripts that keep viewers watching? Enter ChatGPT. This AI is not just a chatbot, it's your co-writer, your brainstorm buddy, and your idea machine. Whether you're making travel vlogs, tech reviews, or tutorials, ChatGPT helps you outline, write, and polish scripts that flow naturally and hook the audience. In 2025, it can even match your personal voice and writing style. Just feed it a few of your old scripts, and it learns your tone. It also suggests catchy hooks, video titles, and even helps you come up with clickable thumbnail text. You can ask it to write 60-second intros, 10-minute video outlines, or even SEO-friendly video descriptions. For any YouTuber who struggles with writer's block or creating structured content, ChatGPT is your new best friend. 5. Descript, AI video editing like magic. If editing is your least favorite part of content creation, you're going to love Descript. This tool has flipped video editing on its head. You edit video just like editing a Word document. Want to remove a sentence? Delete the text. Want to cut out all the umps and pauses? The AI finds them and removes them instantly. It even has a feature called overdub that lets you change a word in your narration without re-recording. It mimics your voice with scary accuracy. In 2025, Descript also includes AI-based scene transitions, music suggestions, and automatic subtitles. You can go from raw footage to polished video in a fraction of the time. For creators trying to upload consistently without burning out, Descript is a lifesaver. 6. Lumen 5. Turn articles into viral clips. For content creators who love repurposing, Lumen 5 is a powerful AI tool. Got a blog, newsletter, or long-form article? Just paste the link and Lumen 5 will generate a short, engaging video with text, visuals, music, and transitions. It's perfect for turning written content into bite-sized YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. In 2025, Lumen 5 is smarter than ever. It highlights key messages, suggests visual metaphors, and can even recognize emotional tones in your writing. It automatically adjusts the video's pace to match your tone, fast for excitement, slow for drama. For creators running multiple content platforms, Lumen 5 makes cross-platform growth almost effortless. You post one blog, and suddenly you have content for 3 platforms. It's not just repurposing, it's reimagining. 7. Opus Clip, your AI short-form video assistant. Shorts and vertical videos are dominating YouTube. But cutting up long videos manually? That's exhausting. This is where Opus Clip comes in. It scans your full-length videos and automatically creates short, engaging clips designed for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. And it's not just about trimming. Opus Clip uses AI to find the most impactful moments, add captions, zooms, transitions, and even background music. It knows what makes people stop scrolling. In 2025, Opus Clip includes viral trend detection. It scans trending audio, hashtags, and editing styles, then matches your clips to what's hot. Imagine uploading a podcast episode and having 10 viral-ready shorts generated in minutes. That's power. That's reach. That's smart content creation. Why AI tools matter more than ever in 2025. In today's world, attention is everything. And on YouTube, grabbing attention quickly and holding it is the name of the game. The truth is, if you're trying to do everything manually, writing scripts, editing videos, researching SEO, designing thumbnails, you're falling behind. AI tools don't just save time. They make you better. They analyze data faster than any human can, adapt to trends in real time, and remove the guesswork from content creation. In 2025, the YouTube algorithm rewards consistency, quality, and viewer retention. These AI tools help you check all 3 boxes. Whether you're just starting your channel or looking to scale from 10K to 1M subscribers, these tools give you a competitive edge. It's not about replacing creators. It's about upgrading them. The winning combo: use them together. Now here's the secret sauce: using these tools in combination. Imagine this: you use ChatGPT to brainstorm and write your script, run that script through Pictory to create your video, then polish it in Descript. You optimize it with TubeBuddy and VidIQ, repurpose your long form into shorts with Opus Clip, and generate extra content with Lumen 5. That's a full-blown production pipeline without needing a big team. AI makes it possible for solo creators to perform like media companies. In 2025, it's not about who works the hardest, it's about who works the smartest. The right tool at the right time can make all the difference. So experiment, mix and match, and see what workflow gives you the best results. There's never been a better time to be a creator. The playing field is more level than ever, thanks to AI. Whether you're looking to gain your first 1,000 subscribers or break into the millions, these 7 AI tools can supercharge your YouTube growth in 2025. They're designed to simplify your work, sharpen your strategy, and help you create content that truly connects. Don't get stuck doing everything the old-fashioned way. The future of content is fast, flexible, and fueled by AI. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know which AI tool you're excited to try, or if you've already been using one that we missed. Your support keeps this channel growing, and we've got tons more helpful videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right AI tools, your YouTube dreams aren't just possible, they're inevitable.